Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple PDF file into one. So let's say you have more than one PDF file which you want to combine or merge all those documents into one. So here we'll be using the small PDF platform to combine or merge those PDF into one. Okay, so the link will be shared in the description section. Now when you access the website, it will bring you here. Here we have the tools. So we have multiple tools here which you can use. You can either compress your PDF, you can convert your PDF to maybe Word file, you can convert your image to PDF, or you can change your PPT file to PDF. You can also encrypt your file and also delete the PDF pages and also extract. So today video we are going to concentrate on the merge PDF. Okay, so now when you click on the merge PDF, this page will come where you can upload and also you can drag. So I'll be dragging. Okay, so here with me I have 3 files here. I have the first one. The first one is the audit department file, and here I have forms from Australia University. Okay, and here with me too I have tests topics, which is computer science and also mathematics and biology. So let's say I'm to send this file to someone, but I need to merge the file into one. So here I'll just drag up, highlight all the files. Okay, so I'll highlight all and I'll drag it here. So now when you drag it here, you see all the files to be here. So if you notice, I didn't arrange the file, or how the file was arranged here, it wasn't the same thing that was arranged here. So with here you can change the file's position. So for instance, I want the audit file to be first, and I want the Australian file to be second, and I want the admission subject also to be third. So I just want to combine these 3 files into one. Okay, so here is a portrait. So let's say if you want it in a landscape, or that file was in a landscape, you can turn it around and you can do it portrait. Okay, so here we are done with the arrangement. We can show the page numbers that will show all the pages. So it is more like the extract file. We'll come to that. Okay, so today, because we are focusing on only on the merge file, we align all the files here. Now you tap on the finish. Now when you tap on the finish, it will preview the file for you, how it will look like. So if you remember, the audit will be first, and now when you go down, you see the Australian or the Australia file next, and now the last one is the subject. So here we have the export. You can export either to the Word, Excel, but here we want to export it to the PDF. So we just click on the export and instant it will export for you. So here is the file. Now let's open it. When you open it, you see it has combined, or it has merged all the file into one. Okay, so this is how you can combine multiple files into one. Hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video. Peace.